Oh,
Salam.
salam. Uh, Dr. O, salam.
Well, I guess we can get started now. You can just fill in the bureaucrat when he gets here.
So, Mr. Director, I heard you went to the bazaar this weekend. Any good deals? Oh, yes! My daughter found a very nice set of colors. I dare say she has been drawing ever since. You don't say. Has she drawn any portraits yet? Those would be good for your desk. Well, honestly, since the camel she drew looked like a mountain, I'm afraid to sit for one. Who knows, with practice, she may become a great talent. True, she's very smart, very good at math. It'll take a lot of practice, though. Did you go out Friday? It was lovely weather. It was. I was afraid it would be too hot. There was a match that day. But no, the weather was perfect. Hey, Dr. America, weren't you at the match?
Well, I don't see what any of this has to do with me getting my ventilation machines for my neonatal intensive care unit. But yes, I was at the match.
Oh, Dr. America, business can wait. First, we have a nice chat. Oh, Mr. Director, you work too hard. Never a moment for niceties. Well, Dr. O, speaking of niceties, how would you two like some tea?
Yes, please.
I'm going to make the best tea in it, all of Iran. As awards have been won. There you are, sir. There you are, sir.
Merci.
Oh, you know what? That's probably the director. Hello? Yes. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. This tea. Okay. Well, that was the bureaucrat. He says he has been held up for the rest of the day, so he won't be coming. I met with him last night on your behalf, and I must say I did a great job of getting those ventilation machines you requested.
Praise Allah.
Always. He thanks you greatly for that pin from your university.
Oh, yes.
As I thank you for this mug from your university. So nice.
You're very welcome.
Yes, well, sirs, I've enjoyed the talk, and I hope you have a great day. Enjoy a pastry before you leave. Hold the fizz.
Hold up, Fizz.